Contacts include your organization's clients, suppliers, or trade partners, and managing these is made simple with Jobman. Access the Settings tab on the User menu panel and select Contacts. From this screen, you will be able to set contact types, roles, and sources. Identify, track, and manage your lead generation channels with contact sources. Manage your contacts in each relationship effectively by using contact types to categorize your CRM data. Now that you have configured the settings, select Contacts from the User menu panel. The sync option is only available if you're connected to your accounting software. If auto sync is selected, new contacts and changes will automatically update between Jobman and your accounting software. Duplicate records can be merged by selecting the contact you want to archive. From the With Selected drop-down menu, choose Merge, select the contact you want to merge with, click the checkbox, click Merge, and the contact's details will combine. There are several options to add or update contacts in Jobman. Manually add an individual contact by clicking on Create. Add the organization's name and select the contact type and source. Complete all the details, including the street address and a contact person. Use the import option for bulk updates. Click Create and download the sample CSV. Complete the template with the required fields. Drop your file or select Upload and follow the instructions. Select Export to generate a report of your contacts. Click Create, select the contact types you want to export, and click Create again. Select Download and your report is ready. Click on the individual contact for easy updating. The info page is a snapshot of all your contacts details. The dashboard view has a Notes tab and an activity log. And Jobman's built-in email client sends, receives, and stores your emails where they belong. If your Jobman is connected to your cloud file storage, you will be able to access this via the Files tab. Remember, help is always just a click away on the User menu panel. Simply type your question to search for what you need. Here is where you will find all the answers and documentation to guide you. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest content.